Yo, what's up, YouTube? We back. Got my boy Ty.
We outside.
Hey, we got another 4-door, bro. Hey, we gonna get this shit right. We got another 4-door, B-swap. We finna pull the trans into a clutch. Let's get to it. Just keep doing that shit. That's weird, yo. That shit came out easy as fuck. That's bad.
Nah, cause this whole thing don't got to come out.
I have to push it in. And then I need it to sit out. Not separate from there with my screwdriver. And then come out. But yeah. We got everything out, all the bolts. The back bracket is out. The 2 bolts up here is out. This shit about to come down. As I lower this shit. But I got the jack up under there, so it ain't gonna go down no more. I had just got this phone too, bro, and I had to get the screen in place. My dumb ass was recording up under the water. And I was in fucking Florida, yeah, and I was in Florida, and I forgot the salt water was corrosive.
Salt water?
Yeah, I had to dry this shit out. Drew the screen for like $500. I'm like, what? I'm like, fuck it, bro.
I did not know that.
It was a lot.
So phones, waterproof.
They waterproof, but they like to a certain depth.
Not.
But salt water fucking make anything rust though. That's the thing. All right, now let me jet down. Keep trying this out.
Oh shit, the clutch is on the engine.
Yeah, it's on the engine.
Oh, okay. So
yeah, man.
Out this ring. I thought it was
Yes, sir. As fuck, G. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Got the 4-door game, man. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Oh, this is gonna be tight, bro. That's the main thing I'm be concerned about. Ah, you good. Cut that shit. Jody, we back. Up under the car. It rained earlier, but got the clutch. I got the old one off. Got the new one on with the flywheel. Put the poly bearing on. Got the clutch tool in here, and hopefully get done before nighttime. Little update. We fitted down. Go and grab some heavy duty grease for the poly bearing. It's on there. Just I don't want to do all this work for no reason. And then this fail or fucking dry out. So yeah. Transmission mounts back up. I had to take the half shaft out to get the transmission back up because I was in the way. So yeah. Now I'm putting the bolts in the bottom of the back bracket. So yeah. I'm gonna take the 19 and finish tightening up these 2. Oh, goddamn it. Extension. Forgot. Alright, here we go. I'll go back up on there and finish tightening up these bolts. No, it's tight. Same with that one. Damn. Tighten up the slave master now. Well, slave cylinder into gear.
okay. That one's just gonna slip right in. Hell no.
Super shit. Fucking playing music, man. I cut that shit. Alright, there you go. Yeah. Let's get it, dude.
No.
As for the ground or transmission, y'all can see this. So I'm gonna put tighten this starter. So yeah, and we're almost done. Next, axles and the rest of the suspension. Put the bottom ball joints back in on both sides. Then we're gonna put the shift cables back up. Yep. Right here. Heck, bro.
In the garage.
Especially the big ones. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Let me see. Oh, you can. Well, you bigger than me, shit. Out the way. Heck yeah.
Just gotta find. Where is that?
Coming up these little control arms.
That's everything.
Hell yeah, Memorial Day. It's from when is
Monday.
it? Monday.
Yeah, I gotta work this Sunday. I gotta work this whole weekend, shit.
Yeah.
I always work on the weekends, but I was wondering why they had me scheduled for Sunday.
Them damn Mexican, that shit tight, boy. Stop playing with them.
How they had it.
Hell yeah. Start playing with them. Gotta get into the axle later, but it's good for now. It'll hold up. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we're pretty much done. This is the shifter cable part now. Put the wheels back on.
I'm finna go and throw this side on.
Alright, cool.
I just told my mom already tripping about parts.
Yeah, a whole bunch of junk.
Yeah. So you keeping all this? You're never gonna use it. I still got the old cans.
Damn. Short line mafia. Wake the neighbors up for sure. Big body Benz. Can't see through my tent. Yo. Are you gonna put those on? What the hell are those? What are those?
They go on the back.
Oh. That's that racing shit, man.
Yeah. My shit just low and slow.
Bruh. But this shit making power though.
Huh?
This shit, I'm pretty sure this shit making power. More than a D series.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get in that 300 that Type R territory. 300 horsepower type shit. Motor. That's what I was talking about with Buddy when I bought a motor, the Z1.
Turbo.
He said high compression pistons and yeah, blah blah whatever.
They'll get you up there.
But what? Cause I ain't trying. I got the turbo kit. It's a cheap kit. It just.
You want to get the official?
I want to get the side one or where that shit come off to the side. You know, big boy shit, man. I'm cheap that shit. I already got enough cheap shit on that car.
When I get my turbo, I want my shit to be fully equipped.
See, I had a hood exit for the all motor, but I got rid of it. I mean, you know what? It was for the coupe. And I sold it back to him. Yeah.
Oh, the wire's already hooked back up and everything?
Yeah, everything that hooked up.
Oh, just started. I started wire.
Oh yeah, that goes with I think I put the other wire, started wire in. Yeah, man, big B series, V20, man. Well, it's a B18 block. Well,
B18B.
And you got the B20 head. I don't know my B series.
There we go. Oh, you never unplugged it. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't think so. That's it right there.
Ooh, got bugs after that shit for clutch. Put that on later. Slave cylinder. Yep.
Say something looks good.
Yeah, it's good for now. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Oh, we got to jack it up higher.
Higher?
Yep.
For what?
So you can get up under there. How I feel?
Tight.
Let me see. Yeah.
But it's probably just a stage 2 shit. How you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
You feel like that back and forth?
Oh, what the hell?
What I feel like? Still too loose? That's first, right? You can find all the gears, but reverse.
Reverse like way over here. All right, go ahead. Hey, go left and right. The fuck? That's weird, man.
You think my transmission went out?
No, your transmission ain't go out. It's some, I don't know, it's fucking weird. The fuck? Okay, go from third to fourth. Back and forth. In the middle. Yeah. See, it's normal doing that. Fuck.
I don't even know where neutral is, honestly.
Neutral, yeah, this is just left and right.
I know, but I'm saying, like, this is left and right.
Yeah, that's neutral.
I'm in fourth.
That's neutral, yeah.
I'm in fourth gear, dude.
Are you in fourth gear? Why is that clicking shit so loud? What the fuck?
I'm in gear.
Look at that shit, man. You should be good. Everything connected. Yep. Damn, it's been a long day.
I gotta grab the keys.
All right, cool.
Everything clear in the engine?
Let me see. Make sure. Do this shit. All right, you should. Yeah, you good. Oh yeah. Hey, do that.
Do that?
Yeah. Phone.
It always says that?
Yeah, mine do that. What the hell? Up your clutch. Alright. Try to go in the first. shit. Let me see. Yeah, see, you heard that? Whoa. Cuffing started.
It's over here. Just push shot.
See? That's crazy. Yeah, it might be reversed. I don't know. That's weird.
Nah, it ain't grabbing. That's the sound it was making when I was trying to reverse.
Let me see. Intake, sir. That motherfucker popped right back off.
That shit didn't even go on.
Oh, dude. Slow it down, man. Loosen it back up. Yeah, loosen it all the way back up.
Hate working on this bitch with fucking me back.
Bro, what? I'm gonna tighten it up. Yes, sir. B20 gonna be back on the road soon. Just can't back up. Oh, fuck. Damn. Shit. Damn. I only got this on my car. If you had the bumper, that shit just whoop. That shit just brush right off.
Get this shit out. At least so I can just drive to work and back.
See, yeah. It's just reverse, man. It'll drive,
You
for
got
sure.
different headlights too?
I think so. They look the
Oh,
same.
no, wait, no. Those are blinkers, that's white.
Yeah.
So they blink white too?
Yeah, they ain't bright though. They just, let me see. That one brighter. That shit go crazy. That shit, you can't see that shit. Not on this side.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm about to say, you need that left turn for real.
Yeah.
That's the one you gotta turn in front of cars.
Yeah.
Well, you can have this shit.
What the hell is that? Oh, let's see.
Cut it off right here.
Damn. What is this, like 3-inch? What does it go to?
I don't know, but it's Mugen.
Dude, kind of small. Put some use to it. Right in this ugly bullshit back here. Shit too loud.
I gotta stop.
Nah, it's too big. I'm gonna give me a that ain't too big. Just I'm gonna give me one. I'm gonna get either K-Tune or a Vibrant.
You build turbos.
I don't know.
I got 2 of these. I just don't know what to do.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. If that shit can back up, you'll be good.
I'm gonna see if I can pull out once you pull out.
All right. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try to wait. But I'm gonna catch y'all. Peace.